Hey, lovely viewers, welcome again to the God Manifesto. Today, God is saying to you, get ready for an empowering plot twist coming up on your journey. Your spirit's ability to feel everything was never a weakness. It was your secret weapon all along. You have the ability to detect good and bad energies in the blink of an eye. You are a pure magic. What works for your soul does not have to be understood by anyone else. Your direction in life is about to miraculously change for the better. Focus on the wise words of your institution. Whatever is telling you, keep listening. It's all working out in your favor. Type yes if you believe in God and also subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.